What are the best food for fat loss? The real answer is it doesn't matter. If you want to lose fat, you must be in a negative energy balance, you must consume enough protein, and you must work out with heavy weights at the gym and focus on getting stronger over a period of time. It does not matter where these calories are coming from as long as you're in a negative energy balance. It also doesn't matter where this protein is coming from as long as you are getting enough. Now, with that out of the way, how do you actually make good food choices? Because it may not matter for the results, but for your own experience, it matters. The foods you choose might make it harder or easier for you in the journey of fat loss. So, how do you choose these foods? It's very simple. For protein, go for lean sources. Things like lean beef, lean chicken, lean pork, eggs. Avoid fatty sources of protein. For carbohydrates, go for the nutrient-dense ones. These are foods that come in large quantities, but they contain very few calories. Good examples for these are things like vegetables, some fruits, sweet potatoes, Irish potatoes, arrowroots, cassava, and such things. Avoid the ones that are caloric dense. These are things like ugali, bread, chapatis, and mostly all grain products. Remember, they are not bad for you. You can still lose fat while consuming these foods. The problem is they will make it harder for you because they come in very small quantities. You will always be hungry if you focus on these foods, and that is bad for fat loss because you are not going to enjoy the journey, which means you are going to give up. The only thing I can say about fats is be very careful with the quantities you're going to use. Fats are very caloric dense. 1 gram of fat contains about 9 calories. 1 gram of protein and carbohydrates each contain about 4 calories. That means fats are more caloric dense than 2 times protein and carbohydrates. That's why you need to be very careful with the amount of fats you're using in your food. I do not care the source you're going to get your fats from. Just make sure you are not careless with the quantity and you'll be fine.